What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jernsky back at it again with another new Airsoft YouTube video. I am Jernsky, this is my mustache, and these are Airsoft clips. Now these clips are from a day way back in October where we had a really low turnout day. There was 4 people there, including myself and a kid's birthday party. So we did 1 2v2 objective game mode, a 5 flag, 1 2v2 team deathmatch game mode, and we played with the birthday party one time. I'm pretty sure I shot the birthday boy in the side of the head and he didn't want to play with us anymore. Which is fine. They said that our HPA guns were scary and they were using rentals. If you enjoy Airsoft content, go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. If you like the video, please like the video. And if you play Airsoft anywhere in the North Georgia area, join my Discord, link in the description down below. I hope y'all enjoy the video. All glory goes to God. Peace.
Y'all want top side or bottom side?
Damn. If he doesn't have a mask on, I don't want it ricocheting.
Oh, sorry. Hit! Hey!
60 seconds! 60 seconds!
And that is why you buy good eye pro.
Yep.
Do not skimp on the eye protection.
No, do not.
Ah! Kevin just shoot me in the ass.
Yeah, he's shooting all the way down.
Did you shoot me in the back
No.
at the end of that game?
Maybe.
You're a liar.
Wait, did I actually hit you though?
Yeah, you shot me in the love handle.
Did it hurt?
Yeah. Look straight up this window, like right straight back. There should be the old man.
Get him.
No, I don't think I have that range.
I do.
Got him. Got the guy next to the log. Oh, shit. Oh! God, that was so sexy. I'm so turned on right now. Hell yeah. Oh, holy shit.
What's up, man?
Hello.
I had 2 people.
This is why I don't slide.
Ooh, there you are.
Oh, what a goofball. Did I get him? I got him.
You did? You stepped?
Yeah.
All right, start shooting. I'm gonna run.
I'm at a...
You ready?
Did not work.
No, it did not. I'm not really.
Hey, I got him.
Oh, thank God.
Their building's red though. I don't care. Is this yours? Is this yours?
No.
It's mine now. I'm kidding. I'll give it to the rest. Hit. Hit. Hit.
Oh, that's what.
We should have 3.
Huh?
We should have 3.
Should. Don't.
What do you mean don't?
He came around, pieced me up, and said 5.
Oh! Kevin, hurry up and respawn. We're winning now. Yeah! Yeah! Did we win?
I think so.
We got 3.
Did you see me or did he see me?
That makes some good footage for you. I hope so.